How to draw such a corrugated pipe with Creo. Create a new file. Draw a curve on the top datum plane with a length of 30 millimeters. Create a datum plane parallel to the top plane, 200 millimeters away from the top plane. Draw a straight line on the newly created datum plane, also with a length of 30 millimeters. Draw a curve to connect the endpoints of the two straight lines, with both the starting point and the endpoint tangent to the straight line. Sweep. Variable section sweep. Select the curve. Sketch a circle. Relation. Enter the following equation. This will generate the corrugated pipe. However, at this time, the corrugated pipe is solid, and we need to make it hollow. Edit the sweep. Draw another circle on the section. Enter the relational expression. Assuming the wall thickness is 0.5, then subtract 1 from the diameter. This way, the corrugated pipe becomes hollow. We add the straight parts at both ends. Now the complete corrugated pipe is done.